Welcome to or back to my channel. My name is Maya Leia, and today I'm going to be doing a summer bronze slash glowy makeup look. Before I do anything to my face, I'm going to prime my skin using the Beauty Blender Opal Essence Primer. I'm just going to put it on my hand and then evenly put it on my face. I'm going to put a little bit more because I feel like I didn't put enough. And if you want to have glowy makeup, you need to have a glowy base. And this primer, Opal Essence by Beauty Blender, is definitely a glowy primer. You just gotta put the right amount on your face. Now I'm gonna prep my eyelids using some concealer. I'm using the Tarte Shape Tape in 35 in medium. Now I'm just gonna put a little bit of this on both sides of my eyelids. And I'm gonna blend it in using this Vasanti concealer buffer. Now I'm going in with my Too Faced White Chocolate Chip palette. I am using the color Glaze, and I'm going in with the Crown Case 04 brush, and I'm just using this to set the concealer that's on my eyes. Now going in with the Everything's Roses palette. This palette is from Target. And then that same Crayon Case 04 brush, I'm going to go in with that dark brown shade right there, and I'm going to gently put this in my outer corner. Now I'm just going to gently blend it towards the front of my eyelid. Now I'm going to take a little bit more product and drag it towards the bottom center of my crease, but I'm still not touching my eyelid. It's still in the outer corner. Now we're gonna move to the inner corner of our eyes, and we're gonna put some of the eyeshadow in there, but still blend it towards the outer corner. So we're still not touching the eyelid. Now using this Lorella brush, I'm just going to spray it a little bit with some makeup mist and set. And then these are the two colors I'm going to be mixing. They look really pretty. I don't know which one I'm going to use, so I'm just going to use both. The gold one is Nomad Intense Eyeshadow, and then this one is by Lamisque. And I damped my brush because it makes the glitter like stay on better. So I'm just going to mix those two. And then put it on my eyelid. Now using this flat Lorella brush and then the Billion Dollar Brows in the shade Taupe, I'm going to draw a small liner. I'm going to do the tiniest bit of a liner on my eyelid just to give my eye a little bit more definition. Moving on to lashes, I'm going to curl them using the e.l.f. eyelash curler. Just a little bit. I don't need to curl them a lot. I'm going to apply some lashes. I'm going to go with these because they're more on the natural side. Now we're going to be moving on to the face portion of the makeup look since eyes is done, and we're going to go straight into this e.l.f. Halo Glow Liquid Filter Foundation. And if you want a glowy makeup look or glowy base, this foundation is definitely the right foundation for that makeup look. I mean, it's in the name, Halo Glow Foundation. Now I'm taking a damp beauty blender. I'm going to go ahead and blend out this foundation. After foundation is blended, we're gonna go right into concealer, and I'm using the same one I used to prep my eyelids, the Tarte Shape Tape in the shade 35 in medium. And I'm just gonna put this under my eyes. On my nose, and then forehead. And the same brush I used to blend out my eyes is the same one I'm going to use to do under my eyes, and that's the Vasanti Concealer Buffer. Now I'm using my Lovecraft Beauty contour palette and the Firmer 103 brush. I'm gonna go ahead and do my contour, and I'm going in with the shade Aditya. And I'm going all the way up to my hairline. For nose contour, I'm just using this brush right here, and then the same Lovecraft Beauty palette, just in the shade Saniva. And now I'm gonna set everywhere I put concealer, and I'm using the e.l.f. Halo Glow setting powder to do that. I'm just applying that with this little powder puff. So I'm just gonna get a little bit of powder, dust off the excess, or just tap into the top. And when you're applying powder, always make sure to dust off the excess, because this prevents clumpy under eyes and they'll just leave you with like a smooth base. And now I'm gonna add a little extra so it can bake. And now everywhere else that I put concealer, I'm just gonna put some powder. And then now I basically just set the rest of my face, like my smile lines, because if I don't set them, they definitely will crease. And while my face is baking, I'm gonna apply some blush. This is my go-to blush, the Tarte blush in the shade Kirky. And I'm gonna apply that using my Miss Glam brush in SL42. I'm gonna go ahead and go over top of that blush using the, I think it's Shayna B Miami blush in the shade Brickle, and it looks like that. I'm gonna dust off that powder using this Lovecraft Beauty palette, brush. I always say palette, but the brush. And now I'm gonna put this Lottie London AM to PM liner in the shade Espresso on my waterline just to give it some definition. And now I'm gonna set my face using the Makeup Mist and Set by e.l.f. I'm gonna do some bottom mascara using the Level Up mascara. Next for highlighter, I'm using the Wet n Wild highlighter. This is in the shade Crown of My Canopy. And I'm applying that using my Smith Glam L36 brush. For nose highlight, I'm using the Smith Glam E25 brush. And I'm gonna put this on the tip of my nose and the bridge of my nose. And then a little bit of that in my inner corner. And Cupid's bow. I'm using the Lottie London AM to PM lip liner in the shade Espresso. Well, I use this as a regular liner and lip liner, it really doesn't matter. But I'm gonna line my lips. And I'm gonna blend that together using a clear lip gloss. In the center of my lips, I'm going to put Dial 10 Lip Velvet in the shade Material Girl. And then I'm gonna take my crayon case in the shade Clean Kisses and also put this in the center of my lips. And then I'm gonna take that clear lip gloss again and put this on my lips. Okay, this is the finished makeup look. I hope you enjoyed the video. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe, and I will see you in my next one.